Continuing coverage, some eastern Iowa students are spending their summer researching milkweed plants. Well, big deal, you're probably thinking. However, their research and also your action could be key to saving a species. For more on this, we turn now to KWWL reporter Ashley Neighbor, who was out with those students today, and she is live in Linn County. Ashley.
Well, Abby, milkweed is in fact the only food source that those caterpillars use to turn into that monarch butterfly. So these Cornell College students are really hoping that their research helps boost that population.
19 leaves? 19 leaves.
Charlotte New and her team are counting milkweed plant leaves in an effort to make sure these beauties stick around.
Populations have been decreasing the past couple of decades. Not just years, but like decades.
From an egg to a caterpillar, the monarchs have to grow through 5 stages before they can get their wings. Not many of them make it.
A lot of it is predation. There's all kinds of bugs on each plant. They get eaten by ants, bees, aphids, all kinds of stuff.
The Cornell College students are trying to save the struggling species by studying prairies where there are high levels of monarch activity.
We're looking for caterpillars mostly, and we look under each leaf to see if there are any eggs or caterpillars.
The group focused on 5 prairies throughout Johnson and Linn County, studying over 300 milkweed plants.
We come back to these plants twice a week and measure the height. We look under all the leaves, look on the pods to see are there any eggs, are there any caterpillars.
And the group is encouraged by their findings.
We have been finding a lot more activity out here this year than in past years.
Their research is trying to understand an age-old question.
How many monarchs will your average prairie produce? How many monarchs make it from egg to the butterfly that we all know and love?
Well, that group spent a total of 2 months on the project, and this was all through the Cornell Summer Research Institute. And in fact, today was actually their last day of that research. Live in Linn County, Ashley Neighbor, News 7 KWWL.
All right, Ashley, thank you. Very important work there. Now, the students say that you can help by planting milkweed gardens of your own. Also, the federal government must decide by next summer if they will place the monarch butterfly on the endangered species list.